So let's talk about sciatic nerve flossing. Hopefully you've already been to the clinic, we've loosened things up, but we want to keep that nerve sliding and gliding. We don't want it to stay sticky and pulling all of the time. So what we'll do is sit in a chair that's high enough for you to move your legs, and the goal is to stretch one end of the nerve and then the other. What we don't want to do is to stretch both ends at the same time. That C shape is a no. We don't want that. So think about straightening your leg, bringing your toe back toward your head. Now we're pulling the nerve this way, and then you'll take the tension off the nerve, and now you're going to pull it this way. Now we'll take the tension off the nerve at the top and pull it back this way. So you're alternating, pulling one end and then the other. The nickname for this one is the swing set because it looks like you're on a swing set. I would recommend starting with your non-painful leg first because you'll be pulling the nerve roots here. It's still going to be creating a little motion on the other side of the nerve roots that are irritated. So start with a few reps on your non-painful side and then try some on your painful side. So don't overdo, maybe start with 5 reps. If you feel like your nerve symptoms are increasing with this, then bail out. You're not ready for it. It's not for you. Come back to clinic, we'll loosen up the nerve, and you can try it again.